Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a stunning sari that leaves everyone captivated? Look no further. Introducing the pure Georgette Zari weaving sari, a masterpiece of elegance and craftsmanship. Made from pure Georgette fabric, this sari is incredible, lightweight and flows gracefully when draped. The smooth texture adds a touch of sophistication, making it perfect for any occasion. The zari weaving on this sari is truly memorizing. Intricate patterns are meticulously hand-woven with golden threads, creating a dense effect that casts the light at every angle. So what sets this sari apart is its affordable price of just Rs.1399. You don't have to compromise on style or quality to get this execute piece. So whether it's a wedding, festive occasion or a special celebration, the pure Georgette Zari weaving sari will make you the center of attraction. Thank you for watching our video, and guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more fashion inspiration and amazing deals. If you want to purchase this sari, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out, guys. Until then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.